There are 4 different models for using jump math in a typical 45-minute class. In the following models, teaching the lesson always comes first, and then students get the practice they need with the concepts, followed by consolidation in the assessment and practice pages. So here's the first one. In this model, the lesson is provided, and then there is time at the end of the lesson to complete selected questions from the AP pages. Practice is necessary during the course of the lesson for students to engage each critical feature of the concept, but that practice is provided and embedded in the lesson itself. In this model, time for students to reconnect the critical features and consolidate through practice may be compressed at the end of the lesson. Enough time may not be allotted for the students to deeply engage, or they may feel rushed or anxious. So let's consider another model.